¿Qué pasa, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be working on the Impala, and we're going to install some headers and the alternator bracket. So let's get to it. Alright, so you can see here that we got a header right there, and I got the other one over here painting. Just flat black. And I'm using this one today. Usually I use a duplicate color, but we'll see what happens with this one. But we're gonna install these headers, and these are the non-hugger headers. If you can see, it's just straight. The flange isn't angled. And also we're gonna install these alternator brackets. So right now my alternator is mounted from the water pump to the alternator, and then that bracket right there mounts to the manifold. So those other ones that I got right there, I think is gonna allow me to put the alternator on this side, but these hoses are gonna be in the way, so I don't know. But on this one right here, I have to clearance it a little bit because I had to take off the power steering bolt, or I mean the gearbox bolt, in order for it to fit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna heat it up, get a socket, put it on there, and then just let the purse deal with it. So let me do that and I'll get back with you guys. Alright, so I just got done clearancing this. I just used a socket, heated it up, got the socket, smacked it a couple times. Now we're good to go. Not too much, just a little bit. Got done painting this one. Look how nice that is. What a little bit of paint can do for you guys. Alright, I'm also going to add a little bit of anti-seize to the bolts. I know you usually put anti-seize on bolts that are going from steel to aluminum heads, but a little bit of lube never hurt nobody, so.
Okay, I know, guys.
¿Qué haces, mijo?
Vlogging.
Huh?
Vlogging, papi.
You're blogging?
Yeah.
What are you blogging? Damn kid.
I got lots of proof.
Alright, let's get to it.
I don't make pie.
Alright, so just got done tightening them. The hardest ones are this one, and that one to get to, because this doesn't fit until it's almost all the way in. So I had to use a vice grip. I'm still struggling. Alright, so that's one side. Alright, so for these two, right here, I had to use this. Alright, vice grip. Let's grab it. Go, go, go. This one too. Go, go, go. Because, and these you can fit a ratchet. See that? Alright, on this one you can't. It won't fit because it hits right there. This one's even worse. Oh, I can fit one now. But at first you can't, so you gotta struggle a little bit. Now let's go do the other side. Alright, so now it's time for the bracket. Right here. And this is to mount the alternator, or it's part of it. So you slide it on one. So this one's loose. This header bolt is loose, so you just slide it on one. Put the other one. Tighten it up. Now we got this piece, and this is where the alternator goes into. And this piece is adjustable. Washer on the back. Right, can't see. Lock washer. No. Washer bolt. Washer. Lock nut. Washer. And then,
Papa, I'm going to try and get the pizza.
okay, baby. There you go. And now we mount the alternator. Put it on top so it can help you. Alright, so if you can see, nope, right there, where the bracket goes, you have to add washers to it, so that's what I'm gonna do. Get your bolt, washer. I can't see any of these. washers. I'm gonna cover you guys up real quick. So I'm gonna put 4 washers up front, or on the inside of the bracket. Got it. Woo. Now put a washer and a lock washer in the back. Right there. Get your belt. Right there. You adjust your belt. Tighten everything up. Alright, so this is what it looks like all installed. Yeah, not bad. This bracket actually went on easier than the power steering bracket. That thing was a pain, but we got it. There it is, installed. And this alternator, if you guys haven't seen one of the first videos, this is off of a C10 from a 73 and up C10, and I did the, what is it, 1-wire conversion. So what you do is you get a wire from number 2 and you put it to right here, and then from right here you could either run it to your starter positive or straight to the battery. That's up to you. So there you go. And also, one of the reasons I have a dual V-belt pulley right here is for clearance purposes, for right there. See that? If you put it on, if you put just a 1, it'll hit right there. So the only thing that I came up with was install a 2-groove, put it on the outer, right there, and on that one, that's a 3-groove pulley. That one's on the middle for the alternator. It's on the outside for the power steering. So there it is. Next video, I got 2 electric fans coming, and I also got transmission lines pre-bent from inline, and also a oil cooler. So keep watching the videos. Thanks for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and keep up with the channel.